Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a really fun unboxing video. I partnered with FabFitFun, so thank you so much for FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. It's a little bit different. You guys have seen me do FabFitFun quite a few times because I really do enjoy their products, but this one is different because I got the members pick box and this one sold out super fast the first time. So if you guys want to get your hands on this, you should order it right now. So these are the top rated FabFitFun products and you get to choose and customize in your box what you want. So it's not just like a subscription box where you open it and you're like, why would I want that? You will want it. You get to choose. It's so fun. So if you guys are unsure what FabFitFun is, they are a seasonal subscription box with full-size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and fitness products. They are available in Canada, UK, and the United States of America. Let's unbox this. So, I know a lot of people love and live for subscription box opening. And if you are somebody who's like not really sure about subscription boxes, this is the one that I just highly recommend from year to year, from season to season. Their brands, their products, the fact that they're full-size products, the quality, the consistency. They also partner with charity. So for the fall charity that they have partnered with is No Kid Hungry. And I want to read this to you about No Kid Hungry. It's so important. Did you know that due to COVID-19, millions of children have lost the healthy school meals they depended on due to school closures? We're proud to partner with No Kid Hungry this season because they're committed to ensuring kids get 3 healthy meals a day during this crisis beyond. No Kid Hungry has sent more than 19 million in emergency grants to 876 schools and community groups. They're helping more than 13 meals a day. FabFitFun will be accepting donations from FabFitFun members who can donate in fall add-ons and edit sales. So it's not just like a cute things with like cute products. They genuinely help the community and their packaging is also friendly to reduce their carbon footprint. They are 100% recyclable and paper. So it's not like plastic, bubble wrap and all that. And it's so cute. Oh my goodness. It's good because it doubles as a cat toy. The cats are gonna have hours of fun in there. Okay, so here is what this season's box looks like. It literally looks like a pumpkin spice latte threw up on everyone. Oh my god, I can't even open a box. What purpose do I serve? I can't even open a box. Oh, this is cute. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so you get the FabFitFun little book here. It's good to have because if you pull something out and you're like, what is that? It'll tell you. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Me. Okay guys, I'm sorry. I just had to switch the camera because got a new camera recently and it's all of a sudden like overheating. I don't know. I've been having a little bit of issues with it. So I'm gonna go back to my trusty old camera here. So if the quality just changed, that's why. Also, let me know if you like the starting of the quality better or now. Let me know. This is what we are looking at. It is so perfectly packaged in there. Let's talk price before we go into it because you guys are probably gonna be like, oh, nice. Well, how much is it? How much? That's what I always want to know. If I see some girl with like a cute outfit, I'm like, ooh, I want that. But how much is it before I like it? So the items valued in the box are over $200 worth of stuff that you're gonna get. And remember, full-size products, girl. So the price is $49.99. That's not terrible. I'm gonna make it better. With my code PINK10, you guys can get $10 off of your first box. All of the links, info, and everything is gonna be in the description box down below. So that means the box is $39.99. Let's just pull out this one right here. I'm so excited for this. So this is the Vourey Crossbody Sidekick bag. I have been wanting something like this for quite a while. I want something like lighter. I used to carry my Louis Vuitton a lot and it's just sometimes it gets in the way and I've been traveling a lot recently and I'm going to be doing more traveling before the summer is over. I want to take this away. And I can never find cute crossbodies. So this one I really wanted. Ooh, the clips are very secure on here. This is what the bag looks like. This is the kind of material. It is the perfect size, especially for traveling. Like you can have it here. I could obviously adjust the straps. There's also like a little elastic pocket here and then a zipper pocket here. Like my cell phone. Wait, we gotta see. Oh! Passes the test, girl. This is perfect and I love the color and nice and neutral for fall. Woo! Okay, so also I'm gonna pop up all the prices of each individual item at the side here so you guys can see if this box is worth it and worth the value for you. We get some coupons in here as well. Personalized wine and then HelloFresh. I've always wanted to try this. Okay, girl, the original makeup eraser. I have been wanting to try this for ages. So many YouTubers review this. I don't believe it, so that's why I was like, I want to try it. So basically, this is a cloth Super cute color, by the way. And you literally just add water and it'll remove your makeup. So this is what it looks like. It feels very, very soft. I love the color. It's like a Pepto-Bismol pink. It doesn't have any like distinct scent on it. I was expecting it to smell like makeup remover, but it doesn't. It's very soft. So this makeup that I have on today, we're gonna see if it removes. So you guys are looking at it right here. Is it working? I'm hoping it's working. Woo! Okay, next we have lashes. Girl, you know me. This packaging for lashes, this like... So these are by Baddington Beauty lashes, and these are in Monroe. They are 100% silk lashes. Here's what they look like. So they are 3D. There's glue also with them. I'm not wearing lashes today because I knew these were coming. So we're gonna plop these on and see how they look. So let me know if you guys like these. The band looks very flexible and easy to apply, and I love lashes. Like, if you know me, like lashes are my favorite makeup accessory. Next up is the thing I think I'm most excited for. I have been wanting one of these for ages. These little coin double necklaces. This is the Amber Skeets double-sided coin necklace, and I see so many people, like it literally completes every outfit. That's not why I want it, by the way. Like, I just see this with so many people wearing them, and like even with this outfit right here, this double coin, I have bought cheapy ones, and this one's a little bit better quality. It is gorgeous, and I hope that they are together. Yes! So it's one. I don't want one that's two necklaces because I feel like they get really tangled, and I really, really want to wear this so it completes a look. Gorgeous, stunning, and it doesn't look like cheapy because the ones that I've bought are like, you can tell they're like so cheap and they stain my neck. Yes, this is like exactly, oh, this is exactly what I want. You don't know how many times I've went to like Claire's in Ardennes and like tried to find these, and I find them and they get so tangled, and you can tell that it's really well made. I'm most excited for this. You guys are gonna see me wearing the hell out of this. Next, we have some Nourishing hand cream, and it is fall. It's gonna be winter soon. Like, snow is gonna fall probably in a month from now, and my hands are gonna be dry and defeated. So that's why I chose some hand cream. This is musk coconut and shea butter. It's nurturing hand cream for all types, but what matters is how it smells. No, it doesn't. It matters how it nourishes, but it matters how it smells. Ooh, oh my god, she's thick. Oh my god, that smells like hotel hand cream in a good way, not like a motel hand cream, like a hotel, like a classy 5-star resort hotel. And then like the after is like being at the beach. It's probably the coconut vibes I'm getting. This is perfect size for the purse. Is it gonna fit in here? We are good to go. Next, we have, boom, a caravan. We're gonna drive this. I am trying to put more effort into my home looks wise, like home furnishings. What do you call it? Home interior decorating. I am not good at that. Like literally my walls are like bare, like I don't know what to do, but recently I've been slowly trying to get into it, and this is a diamond woven rug. Black and white, classy. I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but you guys will definitely see. This is so freaking cute. Ooh, pretty. So this is more like 30-year-old Samantha. Getting her life together, Samantha, with a rug. Gets one rug. I got my life together. So this is a cute little rug, actually. This would be cute in the kitchen or right at the front door. Bathroom. If you just have a bedroom, you can put it in your bedroom. Like put it at the end of your bed or even on your bed. It might look cute. A rug on your bed. See, this is why you don't take interior decorating advice from me, but this is just so cute. Have a party on the rug, you know, just get all crazy with it. Okay, the next thing in this box was very, very intriguing to me, okay? This is, I've never used anything like this. This is a Tea Blossom body wash infused buffer. And can I read this sentence to you? If this doesn't intrigue you, inspired by the folk art movement of 18th century Eastern Europe, this limited edition body wash infused butter celebrates beauty, imagination, and feminism. I need that. Tea Blossom, like just that name. I want to, oh my god, naming my child Tea Blossom. Honestly, don't put me in charge of decorating homes and naming children. Oh my god, the smell of this is so vibrant. Oh, it smells so good. It's very, very soft for a sponge. So it's like firm but soft, like my butt. Cleanse, exfoliate, massage, and nourish. It has extracts in it, and you can just smell it through the packaging. I cannot wait to exfoliate with this. So this will be good, especially for the dry months. Right now, fall coming, summer ending, getting cooler out. Oh my god, this is like, the packaging is kind of annoying, but once we get there, there is a treasure at the end. And this is so cute. You in the shower like, I have a flower. Oh, it smells so good. I literally want to eat it. So this is gonna give you a cleansing boost apparently, as well as exfoliating and nourishing your skin all at the same time. That's gonna be great when you're on your period in that time of the month, and then you just like relax in the bath and then just nourish yourself, and that smell alone is super calming. The very last thing in this box are some very, very cozy slippers. There's something about waking up on a Saturday morning with a cup of tea and putting on slippers and just like going downstairs and watching TV. I don't know, it hits different. And these are on one of their top rated products, PJ Salvage Faux Trim Cable Slippers. So apparently these aren't just like your typical slippers. They have really good support. For subscription boxes, for me, I think it's really cool, especially you can customize them. Like if you know somebody would really like these and you could give them as a gift for like Mother's Day, somebody's birthday, hold them up for Christmas, and then, you know, have stuff for yourself. Or if you just want to box pampering yourself, go for it, girl. But if you know somebody's gonna like these, like your grandma or something, you could definitely do that, as well as spoiling yourself. It's literally like a birthday every season, like you, and it's like a surprise. You get to unbox it and open it. These are, oh my god, girl, look at these. Okay, oh my god, they're actually really comfy, and it's like, you know, a shoe with a hard sole at the end. I mean, not like hard, like uncomfortable, but it has support. That was everything in this season's FabFitFun members pick box that I got to choose. I am very happy so far with all my products. I cannot wait to try these out, which you guys have already seen in this video. I'm going to continue to use the products, and I'm gonna do a favorites video, maybe a fall favorites video, maybe a monthly favorites video, whatever you guys want to see. And if I'm truly loving these products, you will see them repeat in months to come. Definitely go check out FabFitFun. Links are down below. Use my code PINK10. Thank you again so much for FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. And if you guys got a box, let me know what you guys got in your box. It's probably gonna be different than what I got, which is really cool in my opinion. And I will talk to you guys all in my next one. I hope you guys have a great day, and let's start fall with a bang. I love you guys. Bye.